Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change the Mt5 background color on your mobile phone. Now the first thing I want you to do is of course launch the MetaTrader 5 app, and then I want you to just come here at the top left, click on these three horizontal lines, and this will show you this left hand panel. And from here, just click on this gear cog and this settings icon, right? This will lead you to your account settings. And what I want you to do is just scroll all the way down, just scroll down until you see this section under interface. It should say choose theme. Now it's set to the system default, so just select this and you can choose light or dark theme as well. So I'll choose dark, and there you go. The color has actually been changed. So that's the background color. So that is how you change MetaTrader 5 background color. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and to the channel.